today I'm showing you how to make chicken Alfredo in the Instant Pot. So what you'll be needing is 1 chicken breast cut up into small pieces, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of cheese, half of 1 white onion chopped, 1 cup of whole milk, half a pack of fettuccine noodles, and some salt to taste. So let's get started. So I have my Instant Pot on saute mode, so I'm going to add the butter, and I'm going to let it melt. Now I'm going to add the onions. And I'm going to saute it for about a minute. Now I'm going to add the chicken. And now I'm going to saute it for about 2 minutes. So now we're going to add our black pepper, our garlic powder, our parsley, and the salt. And then we're going to saute it for about another minute. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of the milk. Then I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to add the rest of it. So I'm going to let the sauce boil until it's thickened a bit. Once the sauce is thickened, I'm going to add my pasta. Then I'm going to add some more salt. And then I'm going to add some water. Make sure that the water is about 1.5 inches higher than the pasta. Now we're going to close it with the lid. Before you put on the lid, make sure that the pasta is fully covered with the water. Make sure that your valve is on sealing. Now we're going to set it on manual for 14 minutes. Once it's done, we're going to give it a quick release. So I'm going to just put a paper towel on top so it doesn't make a mess. Make sure that the pin has dropped before you open it. Now we're going to open it. Now we're going to put it on slow cook mode. And then we're going to mix it until it gets a little bit thick and creamy. So now we're going to put it on saute mode. While you're waiting for it to thicken, you can add your cheese. Then you can give it a quick mix. Continue mixing until it's nice and creamy. This looks just about done for me.